Grab your helmet and get ready to spin some gears. Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Aaron Luna. Spokane's annual Bike to Work Week kicks off tomorrow morning. KXLY4's John Hendricks working for you tonight. John, if people are planning to participate for the first time, there are some rules of the road you need to know.
There are, Aaron. It may sound like a no-brainer, but be sure to have that helmet. It is against the city and county law to not be wearing one when you're using your bike. And a word of advice for drivers: keep an eye out for those on two wheels. The weather is just right, and it has many of us venturing outside. This coming week, you can add more cyclists to the streets as the City of Spokane and other partners want you to bike to work.
I grew up on a dirt road. It's all built up, and I skied a lot, so I'll bike a lot to get my,
For Kristen Peterson, she can't tell you the last time she didn't use a bike to get around, but she says using two wheels comes with a little added danger.
Downtown's really, I try not to. It's bad because people pulling out of businesses is super bad.
She says she was hit by someone several years ago and feels motorists here aren't that bike friendly.
I'm on the sidewalk now. I don't follow the rules because I don't feel safe anymore.
It's feedback that Kristen has that the city wants to hear. This year, as part of Bike to Work Week, the city is hosting several lunchtime 6-mile rides in different parts of town. Riders who participate then can share what needs to be improved to increase safety for cyclists. Now, if you do plan to bike to work this week, don't forget your helmet. In Spokane and Spokane County, they are required for everyone. In downtown, riding on the sidewalks is against the law. And if you are out at night, your bike has to have a white light on the front and a red one on the back that's visible for at least 500 feet. To kick off Bike to Work Week, there will be a breakfast held in Riverfront Park tomorrow morning. To learn more and what activities are planned, head on over to KXLY.com. Reporting in studio tonight, John Hendricks, KXLY 4 News.
All right.